One day, Lily comes to Carin's house for a slumber party. Great, you're here. Nice to meet you, Lily. I was served today. What would you like to eat?
I want to eat your most famous dish, please. Got it, ma'am.
Wow, looks so yummy, Carin. Ta-da! It's done. Let's eat, Lily.
Hey, Lily. After dinner, let's come in my room and play. I have a surprise for you.
Oh my god, is this your room? It looks so lovely, Carin.
What are you doing, Carin? Shh, it's a surprise, Lily. You will find out. Oh wow, it looks so familiar.
Good night, Lily. Good night. Have a sweet dream, Carin.
Thank you for a wonderful night, Carin.